guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a very quick, easy and simple rice recipe. Today we'll be making some seasoned pineapple rice. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have my chopped pineapples. I have some long grain basmati rice. I'll be using some onions, garlic and ginger, some peppers, green onions. I have onion powder, garlic powder, chicken bouillon, complete seasoning and black pepper. And here I have my better than bouillon. This gives great flavor to your food, guys. If you've never tried this, you must do so. And I have some sazon seasoning I'll be using for color. And there's actually two types, one without the color. This one is without the color, and the other one has the color. So I'll be using the one with the color. And this gives great flavor also and adds a nice color to your recipe. But if you don't have sazon seasoning, you can use some turmeric or saffron. So here in a small saucepan, I went in with a little bit of oil, and now I will add my rice. Remember guys, always wash your rice, especially when you're making these recipes. I wash my rice always, no matter what I'm cooking. But for these recipes, you need the rice to be washed because it takes away some of the starch that causes the rice to be pasty and like clammy, like stick together. You want a nice loose rice. So that's why you wash your rice. Next, I'll add about 1 tablespoon of my better than bouillon paste. I will mix that in, then I will add my seasonings. Remember, we are cooking seasoned rice, so you want to flavor this and season it up really well. Then we'll add of course, we'll add the color to the rice because it's, what you call Hawaiian, because we're adding the pineapples. We want to give it that nice yellow color. So we will add our sazon seasoning for that. And we will let this fry for about 3 minutes so that everything can absorb into the rice. And then we'll add our water to steam the rice. Now we'll add our water to this rice, just enough to cover the rice. It must be 1 inch above the rice. You don't want to add too much because you don't want the rice soft, mushy, and overcooked. But I will be leaving the correct measurements that you need to add down in my description box. And we will cover this and allow it to steam until all of the liquid has evaporated. Keep your heat on medium. So once all of the liquid has evaporated like this, what we'll do now is go in and mix it up a bit so that everything can be properly combined. And then what I like to do is go in with a piece of tin foil and sit it over the pot so that it traps all the heat in, and let this steam on low heat for an extra 5 minutes. So after about 15 minutes in total, the rice is finally done. And what we'll do is transfer the rice to a large tray and allow it to cool off before we move to the next step. Now here in my preheated wok, I did add some oil, and now I will add my onions, peppers, garlic, and ginger. I will also add my seasonings, and I will let them all go for about 3 minutes. Now we'll add our pineapples, mix well, and let it go for about 3 minutes, just so that it can absorb all those flavors and aromatics. So at this point, we'll now add our rice back in here. We will mix it all in. And lastly, we will add our green onions. And that's it, guys. That's how simple and easy it is to make this delicious seasoned pineapple rice. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super delicious and flavorful seasoned pineapple rice. This can go with almost anything. It's the perfect side dish. I will be pairing this with some jerk chicken, cream spinach, and some macaroni salad. I do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be leaving all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!